Within Google Tools, you can fill cells and you will use this in order to create your letters on your Valentine design. So let me help you with that particular Google skill. So notice, guys, that I am just dragging. I clicked and dragged in order to highlight the areas that I want to shade. You will then come up here to this spilled paint can and you will click it. And of course, you can select any of the colors that you want to shade it. So here I'm going to make it a nice teal color. Now, you are going to continue this in order to drag and drop. You're really making different arrays, and you are going to do this until you have created whatever letter you would like for your design. So notice, boys and girls, that as I do this, I'm simply dragging and dropping. I'm coming to this fill paint can and clicking. I am then clicking the color that I want it to be. And then when I move that cursor, I'm ready to, of course, click in other areas. You can feel free to, like I did with the U, or excuse me, the Y, I just dragged and dropped different areas to make the particular letter. Now here, if I want to make an O, I could do the entire cell, and then I could come in here to the middle, and I could click again, and then I could make this clear. And look how with this one, I actually kind of overdid the letter, and then I readjusted it by making the center white. This is the way that you use that spilled paint can in order to shade or fill on your coordinate grid to write your letters.